Hi, it's Filo, and I have a botanical theme for you for May, and it's beginner friendly, so let's dive right in. I'm already cutting pages because in the past I've done setups with waterfall tabs where you have a peek at all the pages of your month from the cover. To do that, you cut your pages more and more from the last page to your cover, but I thought, you know what? What's better than a waterfall? A double waterfall. So this time I did it kind of backwards, cutting more and more from the cover to the middle page of the month, and then less and less again until I reach the last page. In the end, I have kind of a book inside my notebook with waterfalls on each side. And I recently bought this washi tape set from Notebook Therapy. It's called Whimsical Botanics, and it comes with 3 mini sticker sheets and 7 washi tapes. So I wanted to create a whole theme around it, but it can be any other set because waterfall tabs are perfect to display your favorite washi tapes. Here's what you do. You just choose a combination and then you alternate your washi tapes in the same order on both sides of the waterfall. And each page has the same tape front and back. Hopefully the video helps. So here I started with a wide dark tape with plants, mushrooms and butterflies, then the brown one with old botanical sketches, then the transparent one with vintage details, and finally I finish back with a dark one. This one is thinner with cute bows. And see, we already have our double waterfall. We'll add more, it's just the basis, but it already looks great. It's easy and you don't have to spend hours to have a nice setup. And now that we already have all the decoration we need, we don't need to make a big drawing on the cover. We can follow the flow, follow the vertical structure of the waterfall, and just do shapes. I feel like tags are appropriate for a botanical theme, and anyone can do rectangles and round the corners on the inside. Now let's use the same colors we find on our tapes, okay? So you can do this theme with whatever set of tapes you want. The thing is waterfalls and then using the same colors as you have on your tapes. Here, to add a bit of interest in my tags, I doodled a couple of butterflies, but you could do flowers or a sun, bees, or whatever you have that remind your tape. And then you fill your tags with your colors. In my case, I had green and beige, of course, but I also had a purple on the flowers of my tape. Now, the tapes I used are gold foiled, so for the header I took out my gold metallic gel pen, and here I'm using a stencil, but you don't have to. But May is such a short header, so let's make it a bit stylish, you know? And now we add an inside border in the tags with the metallic pen. And now it even looks fancy, right? Ha, told you we would put more tape. Okay, now you can stop here. At first I thought I was done, but then I add a little something in a moment. For now, we are starting the monthly page, and I cut half of the tape on the left to have space for my calendar. Same, I'm rounding the corners to make it match the tags on the cover. And as usual, my weeks will have the colors of the month. I'm writing the dates and I'm using gold on the purple weeks because black would be hard to read. And I'm adding a few stickers around the page. Some I cut from one of the tapes, others I take from the sticker sheets. And finally, I write the header with my fountain pen using this new dark purple ink I got from Ferris Wheel Press. Let me show you. It's called Gossiping Grapevine. It comes in a cute bottle that looks like a magic potion, and it's a bit shimmery. And they asked me to be their ambassador, so I even have a discount code for you that you can use anytime on their whole website. And you know what? I've always written in black in my Bujos, so it's a discovery to me, I'm not kidding. I have a lot of stationery at this point, but discovering inks, that sparks something new, that makes me so happy to just write in my notebook. And their inks dry fast, so you can write and immediately close the page, or you can pass your hand over it and it won't smudge. And come on, writing in a color that matches my theme. That is so cool. They sent me more inks, but I don't want to be a drag, I'll show you in shorts. So, we've moved on to my one line a day page. I love the idea of having a little memory for each day at the end of the year. And since I'm spending more time in the backyard in spring, I'm sure I'll be happy to report on a botanical themed page. That seems adequate. And the trackers. Here you can tell I got stung by the ink fever. I realized I have free will and I can draw all my lines in purple if I want. And that's exactly what I did. On to the weekly. I thought I would be late for May, so I did the week that includes the first days of May in my April theme, and in the end I'm on time. Who would have guessed? Not me, apparently. So this weekly covers May 5th to 10th, and I'll be posting the other weeklies on the channel's community tab. And we're done! Here is the final flip through of this beginner-friendly Whimsical Botanics May bullet journal theme with double waterfalls. Thank you so much to Ferris Wheel Press for their beautiful inks. I hope you enjoyed this theme, and if you'd like to see other themes, I leave all my May setups linked below. There's a pond, fruits, nautical decor, ancient Greece, you choose. If you've made it till the end, leave me this emoji, and don't forget to like and subscribe so that this video can reach more journalers like you. I wish you a happy May, and I'll see you soon in the next one. And until then, enjoy planning!